You cannot believe in God unless you believe in yourself. स्वामी विवेकानंद. बुक टाइटल ईश्वर कौन है, कहाँ है, कैसे है. Who is God? Where is God? How is God? Human history and the concept of God. The history of human progress rests on the belief or faith in God. When it staggers, the person seems to be in a disturbed state of mind, trying different options but generally in vain. God is that power, that consciousness which pervades all this inside and outside the universe. Is God to be seen or is God to be felt? Even though God is the operator, God is seemingly not visible. As God is omnipresent, ever visible, ever present, whose presence can be felt within a pious heart. If we assume God to be a person, then we apply the same logic of existence as we do for any human being. That if the person is not visible, the person doesn't exist. And out of this assumption arises the question in the mind of the people: who is God, where is He, and how is He? Definition of God. The author of the book, Pandit Sri Ram Sharma Acharya, has defined the concept of God that God is nothing but the set of high equalities. We need strong self confidence and strong willpower to find God within us. According to the author, God is a combination of good virtues, that is Sadgun, good habits, that is Satpavarti, and goodness inside us. How does one realize God? As we go deeper inside us, we experience and feel God inside us. Swami Vivekananda said, "The moment I have realized God sitting in the temple of every human body, the moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage, everything that binds vanishes, and I am free." It is you. It has been you all along. When you look at the unchanging existence from outside, you call it God. When you look at it from inside, you call it yourself. It is but one. There is no God separate than you, no God higher than you, the real you. Where can we go to find God if we cannot see Him in our own hearts and every living being? God is an infinite circle whose circumference is nowhere, but whose center is everywhere. He works through all hands, sees through all eyes, walks on all feet, breathes through all bodies, lives in all life, speaks through every mouth, and thinks through every brain. What will you find in this book? Glad to present a book that elucidates on the real sense and meaning of God. According to the author, experience of God does not relate to superstitions, blind faith, or something that cannot be known, but it is one of the simplest and most real experience because you don't need to go anywhere for it. It is everywhere, every place, every moment inside you. Some excerpts from the book. Faith is a holistic formula based on which God can be discovered. Faith is a productive force that makes our knowledge, intelligence, supremacy great by finding jewels of knowledge from the deepest depth of creation. God is not a person. The existence of God cannot be proven as a person. Instead, his existence can be seen and experienced only in the form of a rule system according to which the whole world is running. Human intelligence, power, talent, emotion, etc. are such assets which we can call seeds. Based on these, we rise and move forward. One must constantly strive to move from imperfection to perfection, from pettiness to greatness. Some topics covered in the book are: first, is there God or not? Second, amazing human body and its creation. Third, human beings are special and so are their specialities. Fourth, strange world, stranger are its creatures. Fifth, merciful God's great boon. Sixth, non human beings, not in any way less than humans. And seventh, follow the inspirations of nature.